everyone, what's up? Ben, your agent. This is week 47 of my journey. So excited you're here. You're only here because you want to know the good and the bad of eXp. I'm going to share in this video, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Ben, your agent with eXp Realty, Aguilar Realty Group. Let me tell you guys, it's been 9 months in my real estate career with eXp Realty, and you're probably wondering why are you doing a video at 9 months? Most people do a review in 1 year. You're probably right, but forget that. I'm excited to share with you guys now, when the time is right now, the good things and also the bad things, guys. So let's get right into it. How did I get started with eXp? Just so you know that I actually started with a brokerage that gave me 100%. In that brokerage, I didn't really get much training. I didn't get any coaching, and I did not get anybody walking me through what a new agent needs, right? So I quickly fell on my face really fast, but I got quickly back up, and I actually did a lot of research, you know, how to get leads and how to get organized. And then 1, 2, 3 months later, if you watch my other video, which I'll link up here, I actually learned eXp through my best friend Gisela Sanchez. And you know, that was the best thing that she did for me, was not just, you know, knocked on my door or call me or whatever and say, have you heard of eXp? No, she waited for me, and I came to her and I asked her, hey, what's this eXp thing all about, right? She shared a little video. She told me if I had any more questions, you know, let's book a second call. And that's what she did for me. And you know what? I prayed, I said yeah, and I asked, what is my plan, his plan for my life? And I got started with eXp with no doubts, just excitement to be a part of her community, because I knew she was a Yah-fearing woman, someone who loves the Lord, loves Yeshua Messiah. And I just wanted to be part of her team, right, guys? So I got started, got licensed in September, got started with eXp December, but not really got started till like January because of the whole new year and everything like that. And so that was my journey since about January. February is when the real actions start taking place in eXp. The other, you know, the good thing too, guys, is how we all start at eXp is revenue share. So a commission split. What is the commission? Well, it's 80-20. Everyone starts at 80-20 unless you're a new agent like me, which is the mentorship program, which is 60-40. And in that 60-40, you're getting tons and tons of training, new agent training, and mentor, an actual mentor who will walk you every single week on what you need to do, how to write up contracts and things like that, which is a blessing to me, because my sponsor, she was amazing. Then she led me to my mentor, who is awesome. You guys heard of him in the last few months. I've been sharing with you guys on my YouTube channel how a blessing he is to me and my family. The next great thing too, guys, is the cap. Now the cap is $16,000. It's a very competitive cap when comparing to other brokerages, okay guys? When you're looking at KW, Coldwell Banker, Berkshire Hathaway, there's many more. But $16,000 is actually the cap, which is pretty good, because if you think about my market here in Los Angeles County, for one transaction, even after all the splits, I made about 4 G's. So if I just needed 4 transactions at 4 G's, then I would make the cap in 4 transactions, which is not that bad, guys, you know, in a whole year. So you have a whole year, it's an anniversary cap of 16 grand. And then you go into a status called icon status, ICON, icon status, where you actually have the capability to earn back that 16,000. Now, there are certain productions and cultural goals within your anniversary year that is required for you to get that 16,000 back. But you know, the great thing about that, guys, is for most people not having to deal with an expense, because it was an expense. 16 grand is a huge expense, right? But now it's an asset in your balance sheet when you're with this brokerage, guys. So keep that in mind. The other great thing too is the stocks. The stocks, man, is incredible. There's 5 ways to earn stock with eXp. Number 1, sustainability equity plan. Now there's details in that which I won't get in this video. If you have questions about any of the 5 ways to earn stock, message me. I'll give you more details on that. The second way to earn stock is Icon Agent Award, which we just talked about. The 16,000 cap, you can earn it back as long as there is the cultural goals and certain productions. And then there's the Agent Equity Program, which I shared. You know, you definitely get 80-20. And then when you hit 16,000, I didn't mention this, you're at 100% commission for that year, which is awesome. If you think about it, you do 4 transactions in a month, you have the rest of 11 months to make equity, 100% equity, right? So that's awesome. And then the revenue share plan, guys, amazing. I don't spend too much right now in my journey for the revenue share plan, but there's an opportunity to grow your team and not even be a broker's license, which is tremendous. Next great thing about eXp is the technology, guys. We are in a technology world. You're watching my video through YouTube, right? It's awesome. Technology. Let me list some things that eXp has with technology. We have a cloud-based brokerage. So it is online. Everything's online, which is super nice. Traveling, going wherever you want, you can do your real estate business. eXp World is the name of our online campus. It's also our virtual office, which is really, really cool. You can make yourself an avatar and you look real in person, and you can go and do some super cool live training on this eXp World. So now I don't have to get in my car, drive anywhere, and I can take hours and hours of training online, which is super awesome. And it feels like you're actually in there in person. And also, when I need to reach any of my brokers, which we do, we have a designated broker and we have 4 other managing brokers, which helps tremendously. So at any time of the day, business hours, I can get a hold of my manager. Instead of driving to a brokerage office, I don't have to do that. I can just go on eXp World and talk to any brokers available, which is amazing. They also have transactions administrators and things like that has to deal with your transactions there. So it's really awesome to take care of your business all online. The next thing is something called Enterprise. We all have Enterprise, which is a back office where we get to take a look at all things of our business in our business. So if we need to go see stocks, if we need to go see revenue share, which is part of the stocks. If we need to go see our transaction, which I'll talk about next, is SkySlope. That's where we manage all our transactions, which is awesome. We have everything that we know, what file needs to be uploaded. So if you're a sole agent, this is awesome. You know what to upload, every single document's in order. It's like a checklist, literally. Or if you have a team coordinator, which is a transaction coordinator, excuse me, they can help upload all your files for you, and the transaction team reminds you. I don't know any other brokerages that will do that for you. Now on to another really cool thing that is part of our technology world, which is called KV Core. KV Core is a state-of-the-art CRM. What does it give you? It gives you our free website, eXp website. It includes email marketing, it includes text marketing, it includes voicemail drop marketing, it includes creating a landing page. Guys, creating a landing page, and single property website. All these 5 things that this website, KV Core software, does, it's free when you're an eXp agent. I did some research, and KV Core is quite expensive if you're not part of eXp. By yourself, if you are not part of this, it's over $1,000 a month, guys. Or maybe more, don't quote me, but it's a lot of money. It's crazy. And that was probably one cool thing I got excited besides joining Gisela and her community and her group. It was all these technology. I'm a geek and I love technology, and when I heard you get all these things, it just brought me so much joy, because when I was doing this solo agent in the beginning of my career, I needed all these things and it was quite expensive and I didn't have much money. And to hear that you pay your brokerage fee and you get all these things is awesome. It's awesome. So, now I really want to share about the bad things, guys. So there are 3 bad things. Number 1, I didn't expect the eXp stigma. And what is that stigma? Is that people think it's a MLM scheme. Yes, it's shaped like an MLM scheme, and there are just bad agents out there that join this company not for the love of real estate, but for the recruiting part. And I'm sad to say to you watching, or whoever's watching, or if you've been approached by another eXp agent that was coming at you with no knowledge base, with no deep understanding of the great benefits that I mentioned to you on why to join eXp, and just came at you in a rude and not a nice way. I want to apologize on their behalf. And the whole company, there's very little, at least like 10% or whatever, that are like that, and unfortunately makes a bad taste for the rest of the company and the industry. So I'm sorry for that. And I didn't know that that was a stigma going on when I joined eXp. The second bad thing would probably be in onboarding struggles. I didn't struggle so much, but I come to find there's so much going on in eXp world, so much to learn as a new agent especially. And sometimes you get lost. If you're not technology savvy, that can be a struggle when starting, because they want you to create an email, they want you to create your website, your profile, all this stuff. And it might get super overwhelming. So I found that to be a little tough. And last but not least, the agent attraction part. Again, I thought doing the agent attraction part will be easy. I have a little experience with agent attraction with other industries, but this one is a little tough. Again, it all depends on the person, of course, but it was not that easy to attract people when I thought this was the best thing ever, and I shared and not everyone joined. But it's okay, you know, it's not for everyone. And if you are watching and this is for you, let me tell you what I can give you if you join with me. You'll get a lifetime free YouTube and social media coaching when you sign up with me. That's right. And I'll show you whatever I can to help you out. Well, guys, that is pretty much the bad things, but overall and everything in the 9 months I've been in eXp, it's been pretty amazing. It's been a blessing, and praise Yah for the team I'm part of and all the people that watch my YouTube and the subscribers. Thank you so much. But let me share you the number one reason why people don't join eXp. And the ones that I've talked to, they said that it's because they're with a flat fee brokerage, meaning whatever they do, whatever their transaction, they are only paying the brokerage if they have a transaction. So if no transaction, they don't have to pay for anything. Now I understand, but keep in mind, what are additional revenue streams you have? What wealth building tools are at your disposal? So keep in mind all that stuff. And in this video, I'm going to share other videos about my journey. If you want to follow me and you want to see my whole entire journey, please click here if you want to check out my other journey videos. And if you have more questions, please comment below so I can get back to you. And I would love to help you out in your journey too. I've come across a couple people already that they watched my video, and I'm so grateful for every single one of you that watched my video that said it helped you out. So thank you so much. So again, ending this video with, if you love it, please like, comment, and share to anyone who's thinking about joining eXp Realty. Got it to understand what brokerage you're part of and the benefits of it. So I thank you for every single person watching this video. I am so excited for what's to come in the next few months, and I hope you can join me. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.